Hey guys, and welcome back to the Cannon Birds channel. Alright, I'm on my way right now to go to my sister's house and go fix her fog light, and hopefully I do a good job. We'll see what happens. Hey guys, it didn't go as I planned. She's mad at me now, so on to the rest of the day. Alright, before that, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll wait. Do it. Do it. Okay, you did it. Alright, thank you. Now, on to the rest of the video. Hey guys, you know where we're going?
No!
Good! Alright, we're going to one of our favorite parks. Give me that, give me that, give me that! J.R. Bonner Park. Nature Park. Largo, Florida, 1905. Yeah, this park got a bunch of different trails, you know, walking around. Oh, no dogs on trails. Sorry, Dearica. And Dearica, get off the trail. And
Look at these sunflowers.
ooh, I can't see nothing. Where is it at? I can't see it. Oh my gosh, nature. Where the heck is it? Okay, I give up. That's a daisy?
I think so.
Oh yeah, that's a daisy. See, you had me wrong. Ooh, left or right? Left? All right, I'm going all right. I mean, oh crap, I messed that up. I'm going this way. Oh my gosh, guys, you see all the trees? They're like everywhere.
That tree's knocked down. That was probably from the hurricane 2 years ago. Right.
Which way are we gonna go, guys? What's this way? You don't know? Sounds good to me.
We're not getting lost.
Black and white butterfly.
Oh, where is it at? Oh crap, I lost it. There it is. Now, what's it called?
It's a butterfly, black butterfly.
What's the correct term for it?
I don't know.
Sounds good to me. There you go. Let's go.
Beaten path.
Whoa, an off mystery path. Let's see where this goes. Whoa. This is crazy. It comes out the what? It goes to the other. Oh, it's the entrance.
The road's
Oh.
right there, guys. Make sure you hold hands.
We gonna cross? Hey, stop. Stop. Come out here. There's a wild wildebeest coming our way.
Wild wildebeest.
It's a wild wildebeest. AKA a diesel truck. Actually, I don't want to go that way. Let's turn around. But if you want to come to the park, there's more to explore. Just not for me. Oh, guys. We walking for like about 20 minutes. Hey, you know what I discovered? More trees. More and more trees. Right? What would I expect this at a park? A nature park, right? Trees. What was I thinking?
Stump.
You guys having fun?
Yeah.
Looking at trees?
Yeah.
Yeah, trees. Trees. Oh my word, there's a bench. Miraculous.
Got so tired.
Unbelievable.
Maybe if people get
I've
tired,
seen one of those in my life.
Haven't seen one of these in like 10 minutes.
if someone gets tired,
Thunder.
Field. Look at that. And water. Wow. I wonder what that water is. Looks familiar. He keeps disappearing from me.
It doesn't have gravity.
It's still right there. Floats in the air.
There he is.
But what about when there's no air?
Turns on
No
light.
wind.
Oh, that it disappeared. Well, here's a fire pit. I think you're allowed to use it, but you have to have like a permit from somewhere. Just call some number. Yeah. Yeah, this park got a playground in it for the kids to enjoy themselves while they're here. It's gonna be lit. And there's like a little launch pad for like canoes or yourself, I guess.
I don't talk to crabs.
Look at the little crab thingy. You see it? Oh my gosh. Dude, where you going, little buddy? Oh, where you going? Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Anyways.
So rude.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Alright, over here is like a little launch pad. It's kind of wet. Have the right shoes.
Storm Sunday. Storm Sunday.
There you go. I don't know if you can see the water. Oh. More.
Swimming over here.
But yeah, take a canoe, bring it here, go in the water.
I like it over here.
What?
I want to
Oh,
come back
crap.
more often.
Alright. Just keep following this path. And you're gonna be amazed. Oh, I can smell the seawater. Can't y'all smell it? Oh, seawater. If you're into that kind of stuff. I know a couple guys at work, they go boating all the time. Shout out to Kenny, shout out to Rollo. They know who they are. Whatever this is called.
Let's go on a boat.
Yeah, like we're on a boat, but we're not on the boat, so
Yeah.
so it's not like we're on a boat.
Yeah, when I come up here, it feels like we're moving. Yeah. Now I always feel.
It's not too deep.
I love books. Whale.
It's not too deep.
Right there. Right there.
You fall over, just stand up. Don't be like, oh my gosh, I'm drowning. You can't drown in here. Okay, I guess you can drown in here, but no, I just don't drown in today, okay? Yeah, it is like it's gonna rain. Oh, hey guys, how's it going?
Hey!
Ah, good talk.
Great talk.
Crazy lady.
Don't go over there.
All right.
I'll go boating one day.
Jet skis is like the motorcycle of the road.
Motorcycle of the sea.
You know what I mean.
Yeah, know what I mean.
Whoa, look at them.
Yes, 4 of them.
I think he won.
Pretty sure they won.
They look
Oh,
cool.
it's couples on all of them?
They look cool. Yes, more than one people can be on them.
Well, I know more than one people can be on them.
Don't worry, guys. I had a bug on me. I killed it. I'm safe.
Do not say that.
I know, but it's beautiful.
Oh man, clouds got dark super quick.
And even though it's still dark, it's still beautiful.
Still beautiful.
Look how light it is over there, though.
This one ain't going down.
Here we go. This is what it is. This is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah.
Friday!
Well, guys, that was a little tour of Baldwin Park. You got your little trails, just walk around your trails and come out here and enjoy the view. Well, not necessarily today, it's about to rain, but any other day, sunny. You see the jet skis we just showed, boats just boating along. And yeah, so this is located in Largo, Florida. Check it out. No.
Alright, quiet, guys.
Yeah, it wasn't really sunny, but it was kind of sunny and dry about, what, 10 minutes ago? And now look at this. Welcome to Florida. If you're new to Florida, welcome. Bring a raincoat. You never know. The sky just sneezes. Shoot, rain.
For West Central Pinellas County in West Central Florida until 12:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a radar-indicated water spout was located just offshore over Bay Pines, or near Seminole, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar-indicated rotation.
Ah, blue skies. After that tornado warning, like what, 5 minutes ago?